The LTA malfunction warning in your Toyota indicates a problem with the lane tracing assist system, part of Toyota Safety Sense. This system uses cameras and sensors to keep your vehicle centered in its lane. The warning typically means the system isn't working correctly. Common causes include sensor obstructions like dirt, ice, or debris on the windshield or camera lens, the most frequent issue. Other causes are calibration problems after windshield replacement or a collision, software glitches, or even environmental factors like heavy rain or fog temporarily interfering with the sensors. This issue affects an estimated 5 to 10% of Toyotas with safety sense. Don't ignore the warning. It signals a potential safety issue with your vehicle's lane-keeping assistance. To troubleshoot the LTA malfunction warning, start by ensuring the windshield and the area around the forward-facing camera near the rearview mirror are clean and free of obstructions. For a system reset, park on a level surface, turn off the engine, and disconnect the negative battery terminal for 5 to 10 minutes. This may reset other vehicle settings, so be aware. Reconnect the battery, start the vehicle, and drive at speeds above 30 miles per hour to allow the system to recalibrate. Newer models may have a software reset option in the vehicle's touchscreen menu under Settings, Vehicle, ADAS Calibration. If the warning persists after these steps, visit a dealer for a diagnostic scan and recalibration. Toyota issued a recall in April 2025 for select models addressing false alerts, so check if your vehicle is affected. Regular windshield cleaning and avoiding aftermarket tinting near sensors prevent future issues.